So, hi everyone. There is problem on coding ninja. Okay, so just pause the video and try to read and understand that problem, and then back to the video. So, actually, the problem is you have given an integer n, and your task is to generate and return a binary string of length n, such that there are no consecutive ones in the middle in the string. There is a word called consecutive. I will let you know what is the meaning of that. Yeah. So suppose what the problem is saying, we will get a number, right? It could be anything. So basically, number we will get the number from 1 to 20th, right? And we have to generate all the binary string. Binary string, that means that contains the value 0 and 1 only, right? So we have to generate the length of strings, n size of n size of binary strings that contains only 0 and 1, and there is a condition that the string that does not contains any consecutive ones, right? Suppose let's take the example 3, and I will try to explain you what's problem is saying. Yeah, suppose the number is 3. Okay, so if I try to generate the string of size 3, string of size 3, okay, let me do some big. Yeah, okay. Suppose that we get the number 3, and the we have to generate the string of size 3, right? If I write the string for size 3, we will get 001, we will get 000 000 001 0 0 0 1 and 1, and the next I will get 1000 and 101 and 10 and 111, right? So we'll get all these string with the size with the length of 3, right? So we have to write only, we have to write we have to write down those string who don't have the consecutive ones, right? If you see, consecutive means the 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 next to the current number to the next number, or we can say the previous number and next number cannot be the one, right? If you see in this case, there is 011, right? So in 011 there is two consecutive ones, you can say 1 and 1. This is the consecutive one, we don't need this. Okay, and here we can see there is in 110 we have two consecutive ones, and then in that case we don't need that one as well. In 111 we have two consecutive or some, we have to delete that. Okay, so possible number of string with length is equal to 3 that does not contain any consecutive ones. It would be 00 001 1010 and 100 and 100 right? Yeah, that's it. So now you have the basic understanding of the problem, right? So try to code it yourself, and yeah, yeah. Now let's try to understand how we can do that. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, let's try to do the what I am thinking. Let's do the okay. First, what you can think, there could be multiple ways. Yeah, let's think of way using recursion, right? So suppose we have empty string, right? We have n is equal to 3 and we have n is equal to 3 and we will start from empty string, okay? And in this case we'll take a index, and in this case this will be 0, right? And then in the next one, in index is equal to 1, I will do alpha will I will take a flag. Okay, we will continue a flag. Okay, in this case I will add in the string 0 and 1. Okay, and then let's jump to another one again. In this case index will be 2, right? So I will check if the previous string is containing the last digit is containing 0, then I will add 0 and 0, and I will add 1 as well. Okay, let's give them some space. Oh, and in this one this contains 1, so I will add only. Okay, and for when I am going to add the one, I will do this one, right? But I cannot do this. If I add this one, it will be the consecutive ones, so we should avoid this case. Got it? Yeah, that's it. That's simple. This is for index 2, and then let's we will do the same for index 3. Okay, in the first case I can add 0 0 0, and then it's 0, so in it's 0 we can add 0 0 1 as well. It is also valid string. And then in this one we have 1 0, then we have 1 0, so I can add 1 0 0 and 1 0 1 0 1, right? Both are the value. But in the case of 1 0, there would to 1 0 0 as well. Sorry, it would be here. It would be 0 0 1 0, and it will not exist. The second one, not we cannot do this because if we add, it will be 0 1 1, and we should avoid that one. Okay. Let's try to code this. Okay, let's make a function. Probably static void. Let's name that the solve. We will get the memory string. We will get a we will get take string list of strings. We'll also take a index that will contain the index. We will also take empty string. Okay, you can say temp, and we will take a boolean. Okay, we will check if the current index is equal to our next index, then we will add answer dot add the temp, and we will return this from our. Okay, and we will check if flag means the last index is equal to false. Okay. If false, that means for the last index is false. We the last value is zero. In that case, we can add both, right? So it could be the answer index plus one. We will add 10 plus 0, and for flag will pass the 0 because we are adding the 0, right? Not 1. So if the last index is 0, the last little is 0, we can also add here 1, but in this case we pass the, okay. Else if we are getting the last one, then what we will pass? We'll pass this one. Got it? Yeah. And we should just call it released, right? And then we should call n. We should give answer. We should give the index 0. We should do the empty string, and then for first time there could be no value, then we will assign false. Finally we should return our answer. Yeah. Let's make them run, and it's failed. Let's try to figure out string. Yeah, it's correct. This is list string answer, index string boolean if n is equal to 1, return flag is equal to false. Yeah, it seems to be good. Yeah, it's compiled successfully. Let's give it a submit. Yeah, it's working fine. Thank you. Let's meet in the next one.